Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am in the process of editing another video. Half of the file, not even the whole one, not even the whole recording, just half of it, like totally crapped out on me for some reason. So tomorrow, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's like the MileIQ day, but the day after that, I'm gonna make sure the video I was working on today is posted. I wouldn't normally worry that much about it, but because of how vital this video is going to be for the greater gig economy, in my opinion, I need to make sure this one's done right. This one will be one for the books. I am relatively confident in that. I don't think it's going to get the widest range in terms of viewership. I hope it does, but I think it's going to be an important milestone video. In the meantime, speaking of things, getting things done properly, tomorrow, some of you might have noticed that tonight was supposed to be the night for the live stream. So if you guys haven't already gotten that message, for football season, we have changed the live streaming day to not Thursdays, but Fridays for football season at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because of how vital it's like, I know a lot of people like their football, so I'm going to make sure that people can actually like they don't have to choose between football and like being a part of the podcast and being a part of the live stream. I want people to be included regardless of whether or not they're a football fan. So that's happening. And I'm going to make sure that this video is ready to go by Saturday. I have a couple of other things to do, but I'm way ahead of the curve at this point. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for your patience with me. This week feels like it's been a series of less than quality videos, but they've all been about things that have been happening in the gig economy. And I've been having a lot of great conversations with Bud Soda and some other people about what we're going to be working on in the future for gig workers. And I'm excited to tell you guys about that. And I'll catch you guys next time. This is it. Like, I'm not going to do any plugs. Have a great day.